One day, an old woman felt bored.
I'll bake something fun.
She said, flour, sugar, ginger, a fun. She made a little cookie. Cute and round. 2 raisins for eyes. A cherry for a nose.
Time to bake.
Into the oven, the cookie went. In the oven, too hot and too stuffy. The cookie looked out from the oven.
I want to be free.
It whispered. And then, pop. The oven door opened. It jumped out.
I'm free.
It shouted and ran away. It ran past a cow. The cow blinked.
Stop. I want to eat you,
said the cow.
Run, run, as fast as you can. You can't catch me. I'm the grandma's cookie.
It laughed and ran. It ran past a horse. The horse neighed.
Stop. You smell sweet,
said the horse.
Run, run, as fast as you can. You can't catch me. I'm the grandma's cookie.
The cookie giggled and ran. It ran past a pig. The pig stared.
Stop. Just one bite,
said the pig.
No way.
It said. And it danced away. It ran and ran. No one could catch it. It felt proud. Too proud. Then by the river, it stopped. The water looked cold. It didn't want to swim.
Now, what?
It sighed. A fox appeared. Quiet. Calm. Cool.
Hello. Tired?
The grandma's cookie stepped back.
Who are you?
Just a fox.
He smiled.
I don't even like cookies.
The grandma's cookie looked around. No cow, no horse, no pig, just the river. And the fox.
Need help? I can swim.
The grandma's cookie hesitated.
Well, okay.
It jumped on the fox's tail. Splash. Into the water.
Tail's too wet.
Said the fox.
Hop on my back.
So it did. The river got deeper.
Too much water.
Said the fox.
Climb on my head.
So it climbed. Its feet stayed dry. The fox swam slow. Then,
Water's rising.
said the fox.
Get on my nose.
Your nose?
The grandma's cookie wondered, but it finally crawled onto the nose.
Just a little closer.
The fox smiled.
Just a little wider.
The fox slowly opened his mouth. The fox twitched his nose. The grandma's cookie wobbled.
Careful.
It shouted.
Of course.
Whispered the fox with a smile.
Don't worry. I'm gonna keep you safe.
The grandma's cookie began to say.
How kind you are.
And then, gulp, the grandma's cookie was gone. Just crumbs in the air. And a smile on the fox's lips.
Sweet. One bite. Very sweet. If you enjoyed this story, please like and subscribe for more English stories. The end.